Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this DIY glitter desk. It is super easy to do, just gotta have a lot of patience for it, but look at this hollow. It's so worth it at the end. So let's just get started. So what you'll need is, the first thing you're going to need is some resin, also some frog tape. Definitely going to need some hollow chunky glitter, also the hollow fine glitter, some gloves, some painter brush, and a random spoon if you have whatever you have at home, and also a bucket. So here I'm just removing the plastic cover, which I use to protect my table. And this is when you grab the frog tape and you just want to secure that in all the corners of the table before we start this project. So you just want to make sure that way the resin does not seep through or drip or anything like that. So this is what's going to help kind of give you that barrier there. Okay, so for this you're going to have your gloves on, and then I grabbed the resin and poured it into this black bucket. I actually used half of this bottle, which is the part A of the resin. Then I'm going to grab part B, which is the actual hardener. So you just kind of want to make sure you pour it very slowly. Then you're going to grab the spoon and actually mix this resin mixture. You don't want to do it super fast. You kind of want to stir it really slow for a good 2 minutes. Then here you're just going to pour the rest of the resin, which is the part A. And then also you're going to grab the part B, which is the hardener, and just want to pour the rest in that bucket. And then also keep mixing again slowly for another 2 minutes here. And here comes the fun part. Now we're going to mix the chunky holographic glitter in here into the resin mixture. And now I'm going to stir in that chunky glitter with the resin until it's nice and well blended. So the next thing I'm going to take is the extra fine holographic glitter. So this is just to fill in any empty spaces when we pour this mixture on the table. So that's what's going to help with this. I'm pretty much going to use the whole entire bottle. Now we're going to blend everything together to make sure everything is well blended and mixed in correctly. Now that everything is well mixed, we're going to pour that resin with the glitter on top of that table. Isn't this so satisfying to watch? Like, I don't know, it just looks super cool to me to see all this glitter going on top of my desk and everything. And this is when I grabbed the brush to kind of spread out that resin mixture throughout the whole table. This took a little long to do, but that's the only thing I had at home. So you can use other things to kind of spread out that mixture. So just to let you know, you don't have to just use a brush. And this is how the table looked like after I was done spreading that mixture all over that table. As you can see, there's some spaces that I kind of need more glitter. I had to order more glitter off of Amazon, so yeah. This was 3 days after it cured, so I'm taking off the tape here so that way I can sand down the edges. Then after, I ended up using a nail buffer to sand down the edges of that table since I don't have any sandpaper at home. Had to use whatever I had at home. Also had to use some Windex to clean off that dust off that table. So after a week later, after I received my chunky glitter from Amazon, I ended up doing another coat of resin with the chunky glitter, and I had a little bit of fine extra glitter on it. So now it looks super jam-packed with hollowness on there and super packed with all this glitter. So it looks so much better. Not gonna lie, it does feel a little gritty, but not as bad as you think. So I'm pretty happy with the result. And here is the final result, you guys. I am totally obsessed with my nail desk now. It is so pretty to look at and I cannot stop staring at it. It just brought my nail desk to the next level. So as you can see, everything is unicorn themed because this is where the magic happens for me. So if you do like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.